Super excited. My Hibana Jewelry Organization System arrived today. So excited to unbox it. This is really well made. You can tell it's a very high quality soft material for the cover. Even the zippers are clearly high quality. And beautiful. Their logo repeats on the inside, gives you that nice luxury feel. And we've got pocket pages. These are all designed to hold 9 smaller pieces of jewelry. So earrings, necklaces, rings. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages at that size. Then we have another size for larger items, big necklaces, chunky bracelets. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pages. And that brings us to 85 pieces of jewelry that I can fit in my Hibana. Now, what's in the bag? The memory keeper system. So we've got black note cards, one to fit each different size pocket page. Silver gel pen to write notes on your black cards. And anti-tarnish Ziploc baggies, again, one for each size pocket page. And a sticker. Shop online at hibanalife.com.